Hey wacky tubers! Today is Plant Wednesday. We are doing self-watering buckets starting now. Here is a bucket lid. We are going to use this to make a dirt plate. It is black to match with the actual bucket color. We chose this color so no white algae grows on the sides, and also black holds in heat, which is very important for plants to grow. To get the shape we are using a jigsaw. We drilled 4 2-inch circles into the lid and then hot glued 2-inch pots to the side without the bump in the middle. Then we got this. This is the dirt plate pushed down to the bottom of a bucket. Make sure to drill a hole just a little below where the rim hits the bucket. This is so it doesn't overflow and it drains. The dirt plate has a diameter of 10.5 inches. The video I recorded for this lost its audio during the editing process today. This is the reason I am using this voice. None of this could have been done without my dad. I'll see you in the next one, wacky tubers, and bye bye. Stay wacky.